Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez with creatingwithali.com, and I'm super excited as I am releasing the fifth and final stamp stack from the 2023 Christmas card class series. This is the fifth one, and if you're new to me, every year I do 5 classes, so it's released one each month. We start sometime in July, and I release one card class, and when you take all 5 of those, you end up with 60 cards ready to go for the holidays. So this is the fifth one. So if you're just catching me on the fifth one, you can go at my blog at creatingwithali.com/shop, where you can get the tutorials of the past 4 classes. Every year, I think this is my favorite because we just focus on one bundle and make 12 cards. Now, how the stamp stack works is like you make 3 of each of the different pattern designs, I should say. So we have 4 designs and you make 3 of each for a total of 12 cards. This time, as you can see, I am featuring the gorgeous Trucking Along bundle, which I'm very excited, and I pair it with the Jova Christmas Designer Series paper. So this is very traditional, very traditional Christmas colors. So I feel like it's gonna look amazing, and I'm sure you're gonna enjoy making all these cards. Believe me, all of them are super easy, so I know you're gonna love it. So one thing to know is that I offer 2 options. So the option 1 is for those of you who want to get the kit to make the cards. So you get everything cut out and embossed, as well as like the die cuts for the labels. You'll have that. Now, anything that is from the bundle, so in this case really it's just the punch, like the circles and maybe the truck, right? You'll have to do it yourself. And in this case, for the truck, of course, I am stamping and doing it. I don't send stamp images, so you definitely need to have the bundle. But I'll have an option on the registration form for you to add it on, or you can go at my store to get the bundle right away. I'll put it in the description of this video, so make sure you check it out so that you get the bundle. So I'll put it also on the description, a link to get the bundle. All right, so that's that. But I also want to put it on the registration form. Now, how do you get the registration form to begin with? That registration form, I can only send it through my email or my private Facebook group. So if you are on my Facebook group, look out for the link there. But the best thing is to be on my mailing list, because that way you're going to be getting the link to your inbox. Now, the link to register to my email list, it's below as well on the description of this video, so check it out. And you can go to creatingwithali.com, and you're going to get a pop-up screen where it says sign up for the newsletter. So once you're signed up, you're going to be getting all my emails with the reminders about the card classes, and especially the link so that you can sign up right away. So now let me tell you what this class includes. So this class, the Make and Take packet, includes, again, the kit to make 12 cards, 3 of each of the different designs. You're going to be getting a full pack of the neutral adhesive back sequence, so this one. You're also going to be getting a full spool of the black and very vanilla large check ribbon, and you're also going to be getting a half of a pack of the Designer Series paper. This one is the Joy of Christmas, and you can see it here. It's gorgeous paper. I just love all of them. All of the patterns are super cute, and they coordinate really well with all the patterns. So in this class, you're going to be able to do some mix and match it with the patterns, and I'm sure you're going to have so much fun putting together this class. Believe me, I know you're going to love it. So anyway, so you get half a pack of the Designer Series paper, the ribbon, the sequence, and then of course the kit to make the cards. Now, this option is $49 plus $9 shipping, so it ends up being $58. You do need to have the Trucking Along bundle. This is an online exclusive, so it's not in any of our publications. You have to go online, and again, I'll put in the description of this video a link for you to check it out, or you can also add it on the registration link when you sign up for this class. So there's the 2 options. So anyway, so that's option one. Option two is for those of you who might not be in the United States, because I can only ship in the United States. I should have said that. So if you're not in the United States, if you're a demonstrator and have everything ready to go, you want to cut it out yourself, you can get the option two, which is a tutorial. That way you cut yourself off the pieces. If you want to get all the pieces cut out and everything, of course you can sign up for option number one. But of course, if you already have everything, you just need a tutorial, make sure you check it out, and you can go at creatingwithali.com/shop. The tutorial is $15 in my store, and I'll put a link here in the description so that you can just click there and go to the tutorial store. I do have my past classes tutorials as well there, so if you're just catching the final stamp stack and are interested to see what were the other four, make sure you check it out at my store, and you can grab the tutorials. Again, the tutorials are $15 for the stamp stacks. So anyways, you can grab them all if you want. So anyway, once you purchase the tutorial, you're gonna get an email with the link to download the instructions. And the instructions, let me tell you, so the PDF comes with the pictures of the cards as well as the measurements so that you know how big you need to be cutting out all your pieces, as well as a full supply list so you know which punches, which dies that I use, so that you know exactly what we're using, and the link to a video tutorial. All my classes are, or at least the majority of my classes are video tutorials, because I feel like I can give you much more details and more tips as you see me putting the cards together. So anyway, so thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I hope to see you in the class, and have a great day. So anyway, thank you so much. Bye.